Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix. Mehtab. Do you want to set a photo on your contact? So whenever someone calls, their picture appear. In this video, I will show you how to add the photos to contact step by step. It is very easy. First of all, you open the contact app. Here you can see contact app. So click on it, and here you can see the contact number. So click on this place. Here you can see this option. So click on it, and here you can see the pencil option. So click on it. Here you can see the camera option, so click on it. You select the choose photo option, and here you select the photo. I select the photo, so this photo, select the tick option. You can see here the photo was added, and here click the save option. Comment below whose photo did you set first, your best friend or your crush. So that's how you can set photos on your contacts easily in those are purchase. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends who love customizing their phones.